I'm California personal injury attorney Neil Shouse, and I represent victims who are injured in trucking accidents. When somebody is struck by a semi-truck or a tractor-trailer, these are usually devastating injuries, oftentimes fatalities, and it's usually the truck driver who is at fault. We find that time and time again, trucking companies hire drivers who are poorly trained, inexperienced, and have extensive criminal and bad driving records. A lot of the drivers are on the road 12, 16, 20 hours per day. They're exhausted. And the truth is, many of them take methamphetamine and other drugs just to stay awake. This is a recipe for catastrophic accidents. The good news, if there is any, for people hit by semi-trucks is that they are often able to recover big settlements, often for millions of dollars. The money will never take back the pain and suffering of a major injury or the loss of a loved one, but it can hold the trucking company accountable, and it can help take care of the victims. If you or a loved one is a victim of a trucking accident, we invite you to call us here at Shouse Law Group. We can help you to get compensation for medical bills, for lost wages, for pain and suffering, and oftentimes punitive damages.